Hey guys, and welcome to the first episode of the new series, The Sleeveless Fisherman. I'm here at a local pond about 5 minutes from my house. I haven't fished this particular pond in probably about 9 or 10 years. We're going to see how it goes. Tons of frogs, tons of turtles. I did come the other day and try. Came right in the afternoon, worst time of day. Water was so muddy, it was probably about 2 inches of visibility. I caught 2 little dinks. So we're gonna come again today, see if we can't get anything a little bit bigger, see if we can't get anything else. There went a big old snapping turtle. I'm telling you, there are snapping turtles in here the size of Volkswagen Beetles, I kid you not. But let's get started and see what we can do. Not really come prepared. You gotta forgive me for my heavy action rod I'm using with I believe 50-pound braid on this worm right now. I was snakehead fishing, and it's a weekday. I literally just came from the gym. Figured I'd stop at this pond on my way home and see what happens. So don't quite have the right setup for this, but we're gonna give it a try anyways. I don't know if you can see that turtle heading from a freaking worm right now. There are a lot of turtles in here. Oh, we got something. There we go. Got one. No, don't jump. Stay on. There we go. Finally got a little dink. Let him go down here. Nice. Skunk is off the board. One down. Oh. This one right there at the edge of the grass. Right there on the edge of the grass was working the worm. Oh my god. Oh, that's a better fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Yes! Oh my god, yes! Bad landing job. But, oh my god, he's got some sharp teeth too, let me tell you. Go ahead and release him right on back in there. You freaking kidding me? How many times have I cast it out and reeled into that same exact spot? We're heading on out here, guys. It was a rough day. We'll come back very far around the pond. I got stuck chasing fish that I'd already missed. Probably come back in the morning, try again. Man, as soon as this sun went all the way down, whew, the mosquitoes came out, and they are biting, and they are the size of birds. Good morning, guys. I'm back here at the pond. This morning is for some redemption from yesterday. Because, I don't know, I think I missed like 6 fish yesterday, given they were all probably really small based on what I caught. But we still need some redemption. It's about 7:50. It is a perfectly fishy day. Overcast skies. It's around 75, 80 degrees right now. And it's supposed to rain actually. It just actually did a tiny bit, drizzled a little bit. It's supposed to start pouring all afternoon into this evening, so hopefully the fish will be hungry and eating, and we'll have a good morning. So let's get to it. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice one. Come on, baby. Oh, drag it loose. Nice. That's a better fish. Talking about, oh man, he's got some nasty looking some type of lesions or something. If you guys know what that is, let me know. It's red bumps, a little bloody. Got a couple on his gills, a couple on the other side. Anyone knows what that is, let me know, because that's quite nasty looking. There we go. There we go. It's a dink. Oh my god. The one got in the tail of my lure. This is a sharp hook too, man. Small fish. I'm gonna keep tossing it. Without a tail. It was a paddle tail. Now it's a no tail. That's right down the front line there. There's one. There he is. There he is, baby. Come on. Nice. Now that's a good, healthy looking bass right there. Oh, he looks like he got attacked by something. He got attacked by a snapping turtle or something. Look at that gash on his tail. Let him go on back in the water here. There we go. There's another one. Nice. Nice, nice. Definitely not any really big fish in this pond, it looks like, but that'll do. That'll do. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. get out of here. Alright. Little one, another little guy. Little fish pond's what this is, it seems like. Alright guys, it's a decent day. Heading home now. Got about 5. Figured it'd be a little bit quicker with the way the weather was, but you know, it is what it is.